Guys, welcome back to Dishinabecky. I've brought you a very easy bread breakfast. This is a French toast. It's very easy. Everyone can make. These are the ingredients. As you can see, guys, make sure you follow and make yours. We need 2 eggs. For 2 eggs, I normally make 4 slices of bread. 2 eggs, we added a little bit of fresh milk and a pinch of salt to taste. Then we mix, we beat the egg together with the milk together, and then we start toasting the bread. It's as easy as that. Just mixing, dipping the slices, and then putting them on the pan. This is the bread I have around. The thickest, I think this is the thickest sliced bread we have. We also have the blocked, but this one is the thickest slice that you can get in the market where I am. So we'll dip it and then put it on the pan. For the pan, I'll use oil and margarine. I will hit them together, mix well, and then start putting down the toast, the bread, the dipped bread. So I'll make sure it's well mixed. And if you like, you can use the margarine alone. Even the margarine alone is good, but I chose to mix today. So we start dipping the bread and putting it on the pan. Here we go. This is the first bread, the first slice, not the first bread, sorry. Then the other, we dip the other one. I don't soak it, I don't let it get wet, just a bit, and then put it on the pan. There you go. I'll put 3 of them. My pan fits 3 or 4, but I need a good space for the 3 because the slices are a bit big, so I'll do 3. This is first those are 3 slices that I'm going to toast with you guys. Then the rest I'll toast alone. I hope guys by this time you get it and you've gotten the recipe. It's really nice, quick and easy, so make sure you try it. You can add other spices if you want, but this one is easy and the best, and anyone can eat, even kids. Very good for the children, and the family. There you go. That's how it looks like when you toast it. Make sure it doesn't ugua the English word. But this one is not, the rest are well done, but this one is not. It's a bit I've overdone the one which is near here, but it's okay, guys. There you go. We have our toasted bread. So make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, make sure you go check out my other recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao.